Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I've been busy. I've been busy at work. I've been busy at life. So today is just one of those days. I've been busy out in the shop, and I just said, you know, it's just too pretty. Spring has sprung, but where I'm at, it is gorgeous. The sun is out. I mean, people are even starting to swim again. It's it's Florida. This is why people move to Florida. It's either rainy or beautiful. Those are your two choices here. Anyways, so today I'm not going to work in the shop. It's already breaking 85 today, and I can feel the heat radiating through this tent already. It's not hot. I'm not complaining. It's just too pretty to be inside. I'm going to ride, and I brought two out: 350X, yard sale 350X, and the TRX 250R. Just, you know, two of my favorites. They're all kind of my favorites, I guess. I got a new mount for my other camera. We're going to try to do some slow-mo. This is kind of experimenting. The camera that I'm holding here is a GoPro 11 if you're into GoPros. We're going to set it for some slow-mo shots. I'm going to set it up in a couple of corners, just ride, just having some fun. No times, just fun. And I got a new mount I got for Christmas. Here I am just now using it. And so I took my GoPro 9 and I'm going to have it to the front of the helmet instead of on top. Should give it a little different perspective, and I will try not to sing. You don't want to hear that. So yeah, let me shut up and let's fire these things up and get started. I'm gonna be rocking out. I wish I could share it with you, but I can't. else we got? I don't know. Oh, I like green. Man, if you can swing it, you got to get one of those. All right, guys, there you go. Those are 3 fun machines. I got to tell you, if you can find any of those 3, you really can't go wrong. Just really depends on what you want to do. If you're going to do some trail riding and kind of slow maneuver and more technical riding, 350X, best 3-wheeler you're going to find for that, with some sport element to it. Honestly, I don't even recommend the 200X unless you're willing to dump a bunch of money in it to make it really go fast. Hold out, get a 350X. It's physically a little bit bigger bike than a 200X, but most of us are adults. Most of y'all watching this channel is over the age of 30, and you may even have a few more pounds on you than you used to. All more reasons to get a 350X. 250R, I mean, either one, the Kawasaki or the Honda, they are amazing machines. I don't ride that Kawasaki enough. It's fun. The twist grip, the throttle, you sit 3 inches higher. The machine is just completely different. I really can't compare. I can't say one's better than the other because there's nothing alike. 3 wheels, 4 wheels, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, sitting really high, sitting really low, extended swing arm. They're all different. You're just going to need to find what you like best. And the best way to do that is to go riding with some friends, experiment, swap machines, get a feel for their machine, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Just a little fun video, just me riding, enjoying this beautiful spring day. It's, what is it? March, what is today? I don't even know what today is. March 16th, 2024, write it down. Beautiful day, just, I mean, gorgeous. So I hope you enjoy this. I shot some of this at 30 frames a second and 5K. I hope it shows well. I tried to do a slow-mo setting on my newest camera. I have no idea what I got until I go in there and look at it. The camera said it got hot and shut off. That could have happened 10 seconds after I set the camera down and rode off. We'll see. That's the biggest issue with GoPros is heat. And that even being said, there's guys out there running them in the snow, winter sports, that are having heat problems. So I hope GoPro gets their act together. I know the 12 is out, but I hear it's the same problems. I've got a 9, and I'm telling you, a lot of guys are still running 8s, GoPro Hero 8, and refuse to swap. Puddin' Fab even said he went and bought like 6 before they're discontinued because his whole channel is built around GoPro 8s. So I think that's a testament to how good they are. As for the shop, it's empty. Don't be surprised. There's going to be a thumbnail where it's all gone, and that's going to be me doing this. So just as an update, I'm trying not to turn the camera around if I'm going to talk to it, and it's not because I want to be on here, but because the mic works better this way. As you see, I've got 2x4s, I've got stringers all the way around. I did not want to give up the depth of the insulation, plus another 2x4 plus OSB in square footage, and for that reason, it's taking me a little longer. I've made little brackets, and we're actually staying inside the 2.5-inch studs that these buildings are made out of. I hope 3 weeks before spray foam. That's a week for me to finish and 2 weeks to be on the spray foam guy's schedule. And so I hope the next video is going to be me showing y'all this spray foam. It's going to be 3 weeks out. I think it's going to be worth it. I've got conduit and EMT and electrical already stacked up. We're going to have to rerun all the power. Everything is taken out of this building. I am down to the bare minimum. I'm using extension cords to run the lights just so I can keep working and keep taking stuff down. I've pulled back from all of the mechanic stuff, but today was just for me. Today was just a day to just be outside. And so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you take a day for you. We all deserve more of them. Thanks. Bye.